everyone, so today is a beautiful day, so I'm coming to you from outside with an exciting video. Well, I think it's exciting. So a couple months ago in like March, I won a YouTube contest from Nikkiphillippi, and I'll kind of like insert the clip here because I do have like my reaction kind of clip, so I'll insert that now. Okay guys, I totally forgot to like say anything, but the most exciting thing happened to me, not yesterday, but the day before, on the 7th. On the 7th. Okay, so, May 7th, I'm here, you know, chilling on my YouTube, so let's show you exactly what I see. So, I go over into the notifications, and then, you see I scroll from a couple days ago. Oh my god, look at this. What's that say? You are one of the winners of my giveaway? No way, that can't be real, right? So, I used to watch Nikkiphillippi all the time, and I've kind of like stopped, and then recently refound her, and decided to like subscribe again, right? So I entered said contest, and here's my comment, you know? And here's her reply saying like, hey, can you like email blah blah blah. So it says register. See, look. And it goes to her page. It's legit. So your girl legit. Ooh, it zoomed in. Your girl legit won a contest from Nikkiphillippi, which is so cool. So it said message her assistant by the 7th, or by the 9th, which is today, and I did message the 7th, the day it happened, plus I messaged yesterday, because I was like, oh wait, I didn't even say who I was, but, so I kind of was like, gotta film this, because like, this is like legit, like this is so crazy. Like, I've won a contest before. It was Trisha Paytas, and it was through wow, I can't talk. It was through YouNow and Shopcade, and I won like Kate Somerville, I think it was Kate Somerville, I don't know, I won some like, no, I won Tory Burch earrings. It was Tory Burch earrings, that's what I won. So I won Tory Burch earrings, and I just never got it. It just never went through. Like, it was just kind of like, you know, not legit, and that kind of sucked. But this one feels like legit, and I'm just like so scared. I'm like, what if I miss the deadline? What if they don't get my email? Like, I'm kind of excited to see what I get, like, because it's just like, she was doing house cleaning and stuff, and like, just, you know, boxes of random stuff she's sending out, and she's totally doing another one of those videos, which was uploaded yesterday, and I watched that too, and I was like, want to enter again, but like, I just won this contest, so I should enter again, right? But I won a contest, like, what? Like, I'm so pumped, and I'm like really pumped to win this one because it's like random goodies. So it's kind of like I'm getting a mystery box, do you know what I mean? Like, and I'll totally be doing an unboxing on my channel, which will be even cooler. So it's like, not only am I getting stuff, but I'm also getting content, you know? And today, there was a knock at my door, and I'm like thinking it was something else, and it was my parcel from her. I did have to pay like $41 in like customs, but who cares? Like, I want a giveaway. I'm pumped. So I legit have waited most of the day so I could do an actual unboxing and show my actual reaction of my surprise giveaway winnings. And I don't know, it's kind of something super exciting. I remember like when I first started YouTube and like entering contests, I'm like, man, it'd be so cool if like I won a contest, because then I'd totally be like, do a video and be like, oh my god, thank you so much, you know? And now it's kind of reality, and I'm super pumped. The tape around it says Queen, which is pretty cool. So, almost there, almost there. I'm so excited. Like, I am seriously pumped on life. Like, I can't, like, when it happened, I didn't think it was real, so I kind of like felt reaction, because they would be like, I thought I won a YouTube contest, but I didn't, because you know how like there's always those fake ones and stuff. That's what I thought it was, but okay, we're gonna open it and see. Ooh, ooh, I'm so excited. Like this is like so exciting to look at. Oh my goodness, so excited. Let's see what I got. So Garnier Skin Active super purifying charcoal sheet mask. Awesome. I love masks and face masks and charcoal ones especially. Ooh, I'm really actually excited because I actually saw her using one of these, and you know, that's like the jade roller for your skin. It's supposed to be good for you. Foiled again. Foil eyeshadow palette from the Balm. This looks so cool. Oh, I've always wanted one of the Balm. Ooh, this is such a cute palette. Like, look at that. It's so like comic-y and it's so cool. I'm so excited. I just like, I can't believe, like, even if I just got that, I'd be like, oh my god, but I still have more to go. I got a beauty blender. Well, like 2 beauty blenders. I've never actually had a real beauty blender. I just kind of have like cheap ones, but now I got 2 sapphire ones, so I'm excited. Ooh, just excited about life. Ooh, Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. Oh, I thought that said meow. It says meadow, but if you see, it looks like it says meow. You can see where I'm coming from. This is pretty. Ooh. Okay, this mirror, damn, like this mirror is a really good mirror. But these colors, look at these. I just kind of have to, yeah, super pigmented. Super duper pigmented. Oh my land. Oh my god. I cannot believe my life. Like, I feel like it's Christmas and I'm being spoiled. Ooh. Urban Decay, the Velvetizer Translucent Mix in Medium. I don't know what this is. It's got like actual velvet on the package, which is cool. Ooh, it seriously has velvet on here. Oh, it's like a setting powder? Looks like a powder. That's cool. Velvetize your foundation with this universal mix in medium. Yeah, it's just like a powder, so that's cool. So what do we have here? Makeup Addiction Cosmetics, which is also this palette, so I'm kind of excited. It looks like some single pigments. Oh, wow. In mermaid blues, and it's a pigment. It's like a loose pigment. This is beautiful. I've got another one in marbled lime. Let's see what this looks like. I'm so excited. I love playing with makeup. Ooh, I just feel like these are like gonna be like mermaid-esque looking, you know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, there's more. There's more. These are exciting. This one's Gold Digger, so I'm guessing it's gonna be pretty gold. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh. So look at this gold. It's very like, I'm so excited. Thank you so much again for sending this to me, because I just feel like a spoiled little brat and this is just really cool. I guess I should continue with these before I move on. Next we have Cashmere Rose. Ooh, that's a really pretty kind of like dusty rose color. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Now we have Golden Rose. Ooh, this might be rose gold color, I hope. Ooh, it is. Very nice. I think that'll be really nice. Super excited. Oh my gosh, I keep trying not to peek and see, like, I still got like a bunch to go and I'm so spoiled already in life, so totally like bypass like the $41 I had to spend. This one's Sweet Kiss and it's this beautiful purple. I'm gonna just go with the 2 other boxes that look like they're in the same brand. So this is Light Reflecting Loose Powder in Snow Gold. Oh, look at that. It looks like unicorn dust. I just kind of have to check this out because this looks like it's gonna be unicorn dust. Hi, Crowley. Nice thing about being outside is kitties come to visit. I just have to see this. Oh my gosh. It really is like really unicorn. I don't think I put enough on, but trust me, this looks cool. I'm excited. I feel like I could be like a little glistening fairy and it'll be great. Oh. Okay, next, it's a skin perfecting sponge. So it's like their brand of a beauty blender. I'm not gonna open that up because we know what it is. So, we have matte liquid lipstick by them in Peach Smitten. So I'm gonna swatch this because might as well. Ooh, I like this color. Yeah, well, that's the color we're working with. Oops. Ooh, it actually smells like peach. It kind of reminds me, I feel like shadows all over me. It kind of reminds me of this like lip balm I had as a kid that I loved, and it smells like this. So, and we also have it in CEO Uncovered and Half Naked. And these are all like my kind of like dusty rose, like nudie pinks colors. So that dark one is that one, and then Half Naked I will swatch next. Ooh. That's a really nice color. Like, those are like some real nice nudes going up. I'm gonna wipe my swatches off on the grass because I'm outside. I can do that. Okay, well let's move on for more excitement. Ooh, Urban Decay Drop Shot Mix in Facial Oil Lightweight Fluid Foundation Booster. That's exciting. I just want to see the packaging because why not, right? Ooh, that looks like a really pretty bottle. Still more to go. Okay, I see another palette. Oh, Makeup Addiction Cosmetics in Holy Glow. I'm really like excited about this makeup line, so we're gonna have to. Ooh. Oh, these are glow like highlighters. Look at this. Okay, I need to swatch these because you know you can't get highlighters and not swatch their beauty. You know what I'm saying? I think you know what I'm saying. That's what you're working with. Like, look at those. Yeah, super nice. Oh my gosh, like I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna do like first impressions of this makeup because I'm just really excited about life. Okay, so Pink Grapefruit Beauty by Pop Sugar Eye Sorbet. I'm guessing it's like an eyeshadow. Ew, feels really weird. Oh, okay, it's just really like shimmery though. I don't think the light's catching it really well, but shimmery. Got that, and there's another one I believe, and it's in Lemon Lime. I don't know. Oh, Eye Sorbet. I'm guessing it's an eyeshadow. It's just a really weird, it's kind of like creamy, but it goes to like a shadowy. It's very weird. So another Makeup Addiction Cosmetics nude attire, and just love this packaging. Like, look at that packaging. So, oh, this is all the lipsticks. This was the last of the lipsticks, like the ones I already swatched. Yeah, they're supposed to be in here too. Gotcha. And then that would be the last swatch. Gotcha. So all those lipsticks belong in there. Makes sense. Gotcha. Okay, these are Skin Ceuticals Triple Lipid Restore to correct, and a daily moisturizer from Skin Ceuticals as well. So this little beauty blender holder thing, I've got one of these, but not like this. I like the triangle on the bottom. And not. Sorry, I'm a weirdo. Oh, there's an ant in my box. Joys of being outside, there's an ant in my box. Go away, ant. Okay, this is a Dermablend Professional Makeup Brush. Soft, nice. Okay, this is something I saw in the beginning. I'm like, oh my goodness. This is also by Makeup Addiction. Oh, look at all of these makeup brushes. Like, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And also this Beauty by Pop Sugar Crystal Liquid Lip. This looks like I would have a unicorn lip. Ooh, it's got like a really different applicator. Ooh, I like the way that goes on. It's actually something that might be exciting to play with. I'm excited. Okay, we're down to the last two things, and I cannot believe my life. Anyway, this is her brand of lashes, Cosmetic London Eye Lure by Nikkiphillippi, and this is Floral Luxe Faux Ink Collection, and these look very beautiful. So I'm kind of excited that I included some of her own product, you know what I'm saying? I'm kind of glad I kind of saved it that way. And then this is Bubble Bar. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, it feels like earrings. Look like this. These are like super fun and like, I don't know, very different. Like, they're like all like bees and pom-poms. Cha-cha-chas. So, that is everything. My box is empty. And you would think like a little box, you're like, ooh, I'm grateful I got a little box. But like, look at this. My little pile of like lovely spoilage. So thank you again, Nikki. This was like super exciting little pick-me-up, and it was kind of exciting to win a contest and actually get like all these cool little goodies that I'm excited to try, and I feel like it also gives me content as well, so thanks for that. But I hope I don't sound ungrateful or anything. I'm super grateful and I super appreciate it, and I found it really funny today. The only video I decided to watch was one of her videos, and then later on my parcel came, so I was like, but yeah, so a big shout out to Nikki. I will leave her channel down below. Definitely check her out. She's really like, I really actually enjoy her like cleaning videos especially, but she's super cute and has like cute little life going on in Nashville. So yeah, definitely give her a check out, and again, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So I hope we'll see videos using these products soon, because you know girl's excited. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, enter contest, you never know, you might win. So yeah, thanks again, and thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again in my next video. Bye.